This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Principles, Unit 3, Intro to Programming, Lesson 5, Creating Functions, Part 14. In this lesson, we talked about how to build up solutions to larger programming problems with functions. Plan the code that you would use to draw this image shown at the right. Describe each of the functions that you would create. You should not write all the code, only the names of the functions that you would create with a brief description of each function, of what each function would do. Write your plan following this format. Name a function, description of what it looks like. So my plan. Well, first, I think I would put the pin down. But I don't have to write all that. Yay! So the name of the function would be... Well, we would need turn right. Name a function, which would just be right. Goes left 3 times to turn right, as we use throughout this. Alright, and then I'm going to hit that. Name of my second function. Let's have we're going to have a turn around function. Goes left twice to turn around. Okay. And then let's have how many functions does it say? I'll have a function to forward 3, turn around, go right, turn around. Let's have a function to draw center line, maybe? And that's just going to draw the center line of each cross. Goes forward 3, turns around, and then a function to draw cross beam, forward, turn to draw each side across. And then a function to return to center, and that will return turtle, as they call it. Alright, that's my solution to this. Remember, you need to come up with your own, but that's basically how I would do it. You might divide it up a little differently, right? I could have had a function that draws down and draws each side of this. I did debate that, or you could draw the whole main line. It's kind of up to you. That's what I thought going through this. So great, I guess we're done with lesson 5. Remember, when you hit submit, your teacher does get this. They double check your work, triple check it. Make sure it's your own and in your own words, not my words. So great, let's keep going.